Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm Swatra. This video I would like to tell my story regarding culture, culture and hair. Okay, different culture at old workplace. Um, because at here at new workplace, my new workplace, when the people are new, my new colleagues, I call themselves new colleagues. When they have or eat lunch, they eat together, and I don't like eat a lot of people all together. Okay, I like to eat sometimes alone, sometimes I eat together, only party, no work day or every day, every work day. No, uh, I I have lifestyle like Western people, and I am familiar to home alone, house alone. Okay, that's home, that's home alone. Okay, I familiar. And culture of Thai people eat together, eat group. For example, in the country, no in town country, and in Bangkok, eat food alone, or in Thailand, only party eat together. Sure. And I am uncomfortable. I feel am uncomfortable. Okay, I have to adapt to new culture, but I I try to avoid eat alone, eat eat alone. Okay, no together. I don't like. Okay, I know it's culture of new workplace. Okay, and my new duties. Okay, I can do it. Yes, and sometimes it's boring. It's boring. Sometimes I'm bored. I'm bored. Some duty. Okay, because I can do it, and e-office, electronic office, it's boring. A lot of document. No challenges. Okay, no challenges. I, I ever work at counter service. Okay, I see I see I meet the customer, okay, and now new workplace I do earpiece and small puzzle. I do small puzzle and I see or I meet only staff, only colleagues, no customer. Okay. I try to be patient. Okay, I tell my story for everyone enough. Okay, thank you very much for watching season ที่ สวัสดีค่ะ